Welcome back. This is Elsam. Today we'll be solving another interesting problem involving matrices. This question was drawn from Indian 12th grade examination. So let's see how it goes. The question says if A is a matrix, a 2 by 2 matrix of 3, 4, 5, 2, and 2A plus B is a null matrix, we should find B. All right. Now, when they say null matrix, in the 2 by 2 sense, it is a matrix that's a 2 by 2 matrix that all the elements in it are 0. So this is a null 2 by 2 matrix. Now, the question is interesting. It says that A, which will give, 2A plus B is a null matrix. So what it implies is that 2 multiplied by the A matrix plus the matrix B equal to this null matrix. Okay, so this matrix B, let's just call it A, B, C, D. So let's call it A, B, C, D. So 2 multiplied by matrix A is 4, 5, 2 plus our A, B, C, D, we're assuming equal to null matrix, which is 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. So what do we do from here? Let's multiply this to make it easier. So we have 2 times 3, that's 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. And 2 times 2 is 4. Plus our ABCD equal to, that's ABCD equal to 0, 0, 0, and 0. Now, 6 plus A, picking their positions now. When you are adding two matrices, you pick their positions and you add. So it means that 6 plus A is equal to 0. And that 8 plus B equal to 0. So we can find B. 10 plus C equal to 0. We can find C with that. And 4 plus D equal to 0. Okay, so let's not even waste your time with the A, B, C, D. Let's go straight. So we have 6, 8, 10, 4, plus, I want to be a bit faster. You know, in exams, you don't have you have the luxury of time. So now the question is, 6 plus what will give us 0? So 6 plus minus 6, additive inverse, will give us 0. So we're just looking for the additive inverse of all of these numbers to fill this matrix. So this will give us minus 6, because 6 minus 6 is 0. 8 plus what will give us 0? That's minus 8. 10 plus what will give us 0? Minus 10, obviously. And 4 plus what will give us 0? So 4 plus minus 4 will give you 0. Okay, so our B will now be equal to what? Minus 6, minus 8, minus 10, and minus 4. So this is our value for B. I think this is our answer, but we can relate things. So this B, by implication, is equal to minus 2A. Because B and A are should be exactly the same except for the minus sign. Sorry, B and 2A. This is 2A, not A. This is 2A. Remember, this is our A. We multiplied A by 2. We multiplied A by 2 to have this, which is our 2A. So it means that B is equal to minus 2A. Okay, so bear this in mind. The next problem we're solving, we're going to need relations like this. So this is our answer. This is our B. And B can be given as minus 2A. So that's the solution to this problem. I remain El Sam. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe now. I promise you interesting solutions to mathematical problems. So subscribe now.